Would you give me a deal if I bought everything?
Well, good luck.
Thanks.
Think about it. I'll walk around.
All right, so it's Saturday and we're gonna be hitting some garage sales, but Pam isn't. I'm actually taking Pam to her continuing education class for work today.
I'm going to health, safety, protection, and infection control for dental practices. How fun.
So I'm bringing her to that. That's at 8 o'clock and it's 8:05 right now, so right on time. I'm gonna drop her off and then I'm gonna be hitting some sales. The sales actually look decent this week, so hopefully we find something. What'd you forget now? Your phone? Your wallet?
My pillow, so I can sleep. I'm just kidding.
It's always one of the two things, either your phone or wallet. You forget.
No, I have both of those because I'll have to show my ID to prove
It's
that
a miracle.
This is my first class as Emma the peer.
Oh.
So I have to have proof that I'm actually your wife.
Oh, okay.
That's why you're coming. I'm just kidding.
Alright, this is quite the joint. Portsmouth, New Hampshire.
Ooh, look at all the
Sweet
pumpkins.
hotel.
You gotta get pumpkins, babe.
Oop. This guy thinks I'm valeting, but I'm just dropping her off. Bye.
Bye, I love you.
Love you.
I'll do
Have
good.
fun.
Bye, husband.
Bye. All right, let's hit some yard sales. Big 3-day moving sale. It's going on already since yesterday, so we'll have to see, but let's go check it out.
Good morning.
Her father was always trying to find a way to get the heat that there was. Yeah.
A little wood box and it. Up into the bedroom. Good luck with that one. And this one.
Okay, see you, bye.
I see that close that.
How much are your video games?
This is gonna be sold as a set with the drum.
Okay.
It's 50,
All right.
and this pile that was here,
These were like over.
I think one of these is just the game. This thing, I think, just goes together.
Okay.
And that was 10. And this was this with this?
These were like sitting over there. Well, they weren't on top of that, but
I think they go together,
yeah.
not the PlayStation. This was 50.
50.
And this is $1.
Okay, I'll take that for $1.
And so this would be 10.
Okay. All right, let me see.
And
You mind if I just look through them?
Yeah.
Sure. Cool.
it doesn't, I don't think it's raining. Yeah. It's probably coming off the leaves.
Or it's just them moving, they're heavy right now.
Yeah.
All right, I think I got everything I need, but
All right.
just double checking. I saw her in the photo and I came for the shade.
Would you give me a deal if I bought everything?
Well, good luck.
Thanks.
Think about it. I'll walk around. Willy Wonka.
Oh, it is? I just got a little, half the size of this, a seahorse. Oh. I'll take that one.
What is this thing?
it's a broken radio,
Broken radio. Oh, interesting.
but it's old.
Yeah.
I'd probably take 50 for all of it.
50 for all of it.
Yeah.
I'll do that if you throw these hats in.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
That's easy.
See if there's anything else here. So you guys are moving, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. You moving far away or staying around here?
Lake Winnipesaukee.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
We just built a year-round place
Really?
behind our cottage that we have up there.
That's awesome. That's a nice area up there.
Kind of faked them out by closing the curtain and the living room so we couldn't see from the couch.
You take 5 on the iPhone?
That's not mine.
Oh, it's not yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's my son-in-law's.
You know if it works?
Yes.
It does
he
work?
just got a new one. He erased all the stuff out.
Okay. I'll do 10 on it then. All right, so that should make $60 for everything, right? 20, 40, 60. There you go.
Do you want a box or something to put that in?
Is there a box for it or for the?
No.
That's okay. I can just make a couple trips, or actually, if I just drive
Yeah,
in here, is that
just
okay?
back up, yeah.
Okay, cool. I'll be
Do
right
you
back.
want the drum set?
I'll take it if.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep. Fill up my truck with some stuff. Oh, this was a sweet sale, let me tell you. Sweet sale. It's worth the drive out here. Thank you.
Pick it up from that bar underneath.
Yep. Great, you have a good day. Alright guys, so it's been a great day of garage sailing. Definitely a great weekend, a step up from the weeks lately at least. This was only one sale in this video, but we did go to some more and we did really well. So I'm excited to show you guys that footage coming this week. But until then, let me show you guys what we got right now at this one moving sale. Now when we got there, I knew that everything had to go. It was a 3-day sale. They're moving, they need to get rid of the stuff, and they had quite a bit of stuff there in their garage, and I noticed all this video game stuff, and her prices were kind of high. Like she was asking like over $100 for all of this stuff, and obviously that's way too high to make a little bit of a profit on this stuff. So I kind of hit her with, I'll buy everything, what's your price if I buy everything? And she hemmed and hawed, so I just walked away and let her think about it for a minute because the sale wasn't busy. There wasn't anybody else there other than me. There was one other person there that was leaving. But I knew that she had a few minutes to kind of sit there and think about it and saw that I was going to be the person to take all of it out of her garage because she did want it gone. You know, I got to remember that. So anyway, we ended up coming to a deal at $50, and then I paid another $10 for that iPhone. I didn't bring the iPhone in, I actually forgot it in my truck. It is unfortunately locked. It has a passcode, which is not a big deal. I expected it to have a passcode, especially being so cheap. She claimed that it was all reset, but it's not. And I'm just gonna sell it for parts, and I'll be able to get I'll make a profit just selling it for parts, so it'll be fine. It's an iPhone 6S, I believe. Anyway, let me show you guys all the video game stuff I got. Pretty excited. This is a really good haul. So first, I had her throw these in for free for me. These are GE Aviation hats. I just thought they were cool. I'm sure there'll be a good buyer out there for these. So I'm gonna get these listed up right now. This is all a pile of stuff that I gotta get listed. I'm gonna work on that today before I have to go and pick Pam up at her class. I think I have to pick her up at 4, so I'm gonna do some listing while I'm waiting to go do that. Anyway, what else we got? We got this Xbox 360 Elite. See, she originally had $50 just on this alone. I'll have to obviously test it, make sure it works, but it comes with the original box and all the accessories, everything's in there, which is great. And it's not one of these models here, which is good, because if you ever see these white models out in the wild, they are junk, most likely junk. They're the red ring of death model. But anyway, so got the console, and then we got a bunch of games. I got this PS3 camera. I don't even know. These probably aren't worth much money. I think these were the what PlayStation came out with when the Wii came out, because they also came out with this motion stick here. So these will go together. I'll lot these up. Not sure what those are worth, but probably not a whole lot of money. Got the drum set, which is nice. It does not have the pedal with it, unfortunately. So I'll have to figure it out. I don't know. I might try to flip that locally, and if not, I don't know what I'll do with it. But it was just with the deal, so I figured I would take it. But I might list it up locally on Facebook Marketplace instead of trying to ship it. Let me see. I don't know if I have the game. Let's just go through the games here real quick. So I got Red Dead Redemption, Skyrim. These are all decent titles. Oblivion. Never heard of that one before. Oblivion, Fable, Anniversary. This one feels light. Is there a game in it? Yep, it just doesn't have the manual. Okay. Diablo 3, it looks like. Assassin's Creed. These are all low end. These aren't worth much. I don't even know what this is. Console disc. Huh. Oh, Xbox Preview, Halo Reach. Interesting. Then we got this PlayStation 2 Genesis collection, Sega Genesis collection. This is a pretty cool one. Not worth a whole lot of money. Might be like a $10 game or whatever. I believe it's complete. Yes, it is. It's complete. I didn't even really look through these yet, but yeah, that disc is in mint condition too. Not even a scratch on it. So that's pretty good. That'll be a good seller, most likely. And then we got all these Wii U games, and these Wii U games are really good titles. This is where I'll make all my money back really quickly and right away, because all these games go for good money and they have a really good sell-through rate. So first we got Bayonetta 2. This is an interesting looking one. What in the world? And let me just check the condition on these games here. Yeah, absolutely mint condition. All these game discs are they're not even used, which is, it doesn't look like they've been used. They haven't even been touched with it. They don't even have fingerprints on them. Then we got Mario Brothers U. Uh-oh, this one feels light. Do we have the game in it? We do. Awesome. I know, guys, I should have checked these when I was buying them, but I didn't. So games in there. We got Mario Kart 8. This is a good one. All kinds of Mario stuff here. Mario Kart 8. Then we got Lego City Undercover. I haven't looked that one up yet. Probably not worth a whole lot. Hyrule Warriors. Kind of looks like a Zelda sort of theme. And then finally we've got Wii Sports Champions. I'll probably sell this PS3 game with this PS3 stuff, because this stuff all goes with this game anyway. It requires the PlayStation Move stuff, which is what this is right here. So I'll just bundle this together probably and sell it together. And I don't know what this is. This is for that too. I'll just throw it in. And then finally we got this here, and this is brand new, guys. This is brand new Super Mario Maker for Wii U. This game right here alone is around a $40 game. So I'll get a lot of money back just in, like I said, I'll make most of my money back just in the video games. Well, actually, I'll make all my money back just in the video games plus profit, which is good because these are all great titles. So anyway, that is pretty much the haul for that sale. Also, don't forget, I got that iPhone. So I paid $60 for everything, plus that iPhone, which I'll make definitely some profit there. That'll flip quick too, especially if I price it well. How do you guys think I did? I'm curious. What do you think I'll net on all this stuff? Let me know in the comments. I think I'm gonna do pretty well on it. So I'm here at my computer, and Pam and I got an email from somebody, and it really made my day. We got it the other day, and I wanted to read it here on camera for you guys because it's a really nice email. So it says, "Hi Ryan and Pam, I am not sure that you will ever see this." We're seeing it right now. We got it. We read all our emails, by the way. "But I felt compelled to reach out and say thank you. Both of you and all what you do is truly an inspiration to me." Wow. "Your videos, the amount of work you guys put into everything, it's just overwhelmingly inspiring and makes me want to push forward in my own reselling goals. As of early September, I was laid off from my job as a car salesman, and I had started getting into the mindset of diving into reselling after having stumbled across your videos. Now I'm unemployed, seeking a new job, and have more time to devote to focusing on building my reselling foundation." Oh, that's really cool. "It's definitely difficult since I don't have a reliable source of income to help with it, but I've been doing all I can to make it work. For now, I mainly focus on clothing, low investment on my end, and generally good returns when selling on my primary platform, which is Poshmark." That's cool. Never sold on Poshmark. "I hope in the near future I will land on my feet again and be able to expand my resale goals and ambitions even farther. But until then, I'm definitely living vicariously through the amazing stuff you two get to do and all of your incredible videos. Thank you for both being such amazing people, and I wish you both so much success with everything you do, and that your YouTube channel and reselling business will bring you so many prosperous years to come. Best wishes, Justin." So Justin, thank you very much for that email. That was really meaningful, and that kind of stuff really makes our day, and it just feels good knowing that there's people out there that appreciate our videos, because all we're doing is just making videos of what we're doing, guys. Like, that's all we do. We just film going to garage sales and film selling stuff. That's all we're doing. And if that can make somebody's day, I guess we did our job, because that's all. We just want to have fun and, interact with you guys, and that's basically it. That's all we want to do with this YouTube channel. So thank you again, Justin, and best of luck to you. Keep grinding, keep hustling, and definitely don't give up, and good things will come your way. So that is awesome. Thank you. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and Pam really appreciates it as well. And if she was here with me, I'm sure she would say, "Keep dreaming, you crazy dreamers." All right, bye guys.
Let's go.